Hey everyone, it is Christian, and I know it felt like 4 days because I haven't uploaded. How annoying. So, today I'm going to show you how to properly clean your computer. Because I don't like putting a lot of chemicals. So, for this video, you're going to need some screen cleaning spray. I use this type. It's from Staples. And you're going to need some tech wipes. These are made all by the same person. It's meant for phones, iPads, and laptops. So that's why I'm going to use this. So first, take this oil and give this, here, let me see. Give this a nice spray. And you're also going to need paper towels for this, but you can use the tech wipes as your paper towels. So take this, give it a couple sprays, and once you have that done, you want to take some, oh my god, tripod. You need to upgrade. Oh my, why is that noise from a car seat? So you see this, and now what you're going to do is you're going to take your tech wipes. Mine's are sealed like crazy. Mine's I have to open. So they come out like this. I'll take one. And you just want to wipe it. And I wouldn't recommend using Windex on your laptop because that will just ruin it. So once you have that opened and nice and cleaned, and you go and now turn your laptop over. And on the back of my laptop, you can see I have a vent, a fan. So, over here, I'm trying to show you, my camera angle is like weird. So right here you can see I have the vents. Now for that, it's very simple. All you need is a tech wipe. And let me just grab one because I can't hold the camera and get a tech wipe. So for that, you wipe, and you can wipe on the back also. If you want, you can just take your little spray it. Oh my god. So just spray it, spray it like a normal person would do. And you turn your laptop over. And now you just dry it with a dry tech wipe. And then you want to open your laptop. And this is what my laptop looks like when it's opened. I was Googling the population. So this is meant for screens. If you want, you can go ahead. And I'm just going to... Oh, shoot, I sprayed this thing in my eye during a video. Guys, did you see that? It went right in my eye. So you gotta be careful with this stuff. So, spray it on your screen. Again. And then wipe. With a tech wipe. And then for your keyboard, you might want to use this spray. You only need a couple sprays. And just wipe. And you got your nice clean computer. And if you want, you can go ahead. If you would like, you can just spray more, but I'm not going to spray more. And if you want, you can clean around this, like clean your camera lens if you have a webcam. So all I'm doing is just going to spray it around. And then just, wipe. It's pretty self-explanatory. So that's how you clean your laptop, and it's very simple. You can get both of these. You can get this at Walmart. You can get this at Staples. Any office store, basically. So I hope you guys enjoy this video. And yeah, bye. I know it's one of my longer videos.